I got a package. I got a package. Sorry. YouTube. YouTube. Check it out. My boy Jerm says, what's good, YouTube? I ordered me some clippers from Amazon. I'm gonna open this up for y'all real quick. Check it out. I ordered these off Amazon. I don't know the price. Let me get the price for y'all real quick. One time for the one time. 64 bucks, $64.99. Check it out. But we got the, I don't even know how to say it once again. The Lemural, I don't know. The Lemural K11S plus 111 or something like that. We're gonna put these things to use. Let me open this up for y'all. So the question is it the clippers or is it the barber? About to find out. All right, check it out. Open this up for y'all one time for the one time. We got, I guess this is a cape. I don't know, I ain't gonna use that. Throw that to the side. We got a nice little comb, throw that to the side. We got a nice little manual, throw that to the side. Warranty, throw that to the side. But let's check, oh, we even got guards in here, nice. So it even comes with guards. I ain't gonna use these guards though, but check it out. It's a clipper and trimmer combo. So here's the clipper right here. Peel the tape to take off, protect the cover before switching on, obviously, right? If you're gonna take this off real quick. It's powered up 100%, I don't know if y'all can see that. Powered up 100% right there. Nice and quiet, y'all check that out. That's the clippers. And put some oil on it. I don't even know where my oil is at. Nice and quiet. We're gonna check out these trimmers real quick. Check it out, one time for the one time. Take the tape off, take this little cover off of the thing. All right, let me put some oil on this first. So check it out. Here is the trimmer, nice and quiet. I'm assuming it's charged up 100% also. I'm not 100% sure, but as y'all can hear, it's really quiet. But we're gonna put these things to use fresh out the box. I'm gonna use them on my boy right here. And we're gonna find out, is it the clipper or is it the barber? Let's get it. There we go. Let's put these things to use. I like that these clippers are quiet though. Yeah, I got them off Amazon. They're like a little cheap clipper, but you know, I need some different content for YouTube. So I said, you know what, let me order these things. And I'm pretty confident in my skills as a barber, so I'm not worried about them. I'm not worried about messing nobody up if you are. I got confidence in you. Glad somebody does. No. I'm gonna take my trimmer. I forgot what the name of this is. Lemural, I don't know what it is, but we're taking this trimmer right here. Bought out my boy. They don't get it too short, but they ain't bad. They feel pretty good. But for $60, you can't expect too much. Water came back for you. All right, so I don't know if y'all can hear it, but this clipper, the trimmer, does have a nice crunch when you cut, and I wish they'd cut a little closer, but it ain't bad. I'm pretty sure we can still get the job done. I mean, I'm gonna go over the bottom with the razor anyway, but I just wish they were a little closer so when I line up, them lines are sharp. But we're gonna see how it lines up here in a minute also. Matter of fact, let's check that right now. Yeah, it lines up pretty good. All right, so I just bought it out the bottom with the shaver. I didn't record that. But back to this clipper. Set in another guideline. And normally I would go all the way around the head, but I'm just gonna do this side. I don't feel like having my client sit here listen to me talk about the haircut for the whole haircut. He's gonna be like, Tank, shut up, dude. So, you know, normally I would set this guideline in all the way around, but for this video, we're just gonna stop right there. All right, so one guard lever open, set in my next guideline. And I would be getting a phone call while I'm doing the haircut. All right, so now that section is in there with my one guard lever open, I'm going with my 1.5 guard lever open, setting in another section, using a very slight flick out motion. Now that section is in there, I'm gonna go ahead and move on. I'm gonna grab my number 3 guard, lever open, and I'm gonna start blending into the bulk. So he combs his hair straight back, so we're just gonna blend into all this. Open and then closed. Now I'm going with my number 2 guard. Open and then closed, coming right below what I did with my number 3. And then I'm gonna close my lever and come right below that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my 1.5 guard back on there. Going with my lever closed, and I'm gonna attack all this area right here. I'm gonna take my 1 guard, lever closed, and we're gonna hit it up right here. I'm sorry, right here. And as y'all can see, it's blending out. We still got some detail work to do. These are just the bulk of my steps. But I'm gonna go back in and do some small detail work after I'm done with all my steps. So that's the 1 guard. Now I'm going with my half guard. Start off with it all the way open. Tapping at this line that I see right here. Just tapping at this line and flicking out. Y'all know what it is. All right, now I'm going with my clipper halfway closed. Start attacking this bottom line. Working our way into the section. Then I'm gonna close my lever all the way and start trying to erase this very bottom line. All right, now I'm gonna go back in on my trimmer, try to get rid of this bottom line. And as you can see, it's erasing it, but it's not doing the best job. So I may have to come back in with my shaver and go with the grain to knock that bottom line out. All right, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of detail work. I'm gonna hit it with my 1 guard closed first. I'm gonna attack this area right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's a little dark right here. Open my lever, do some detail work right here. Now I'm gonna grab my half guard again, lever open. Still working this dark area that I see right here. Close it a little bit. You know, you're gonna have to do some lever play, adjust that lever as needed to get this, you know, to get your blend to look the way you want it to look. So I'm just adjusting my lever open and closed until I get the actual look that I'm trying to achieve. There's still that bottom line of the blend that's kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna try to turn my clipper the opposite way. All right, well, let's see if these things line up. Try to see if these things leave a nice sharp line, and so far they don't look like they're doing too bad. See how they work on the beard. They leave some pretty decent lines. Like I said, not the sharpest pair of trimmers that I have, but for getting them in the clipper set was for 65 bucks. Hey, they can get the job done. All right, so I'm still gonna have to hit this bottom line with the shaver a little bit. Hopefully I can get that on camera before it dies on me. But I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. As y'all can see, I did this whole side with those new clippers. All right, so check it out. This is the finished product. We added some enhancements, but that's the blend with these bad boys. And then the lineup was done with these trimmers right here. Let's go. But now we're gonna see how these things cut bulk. I got number 2 on it. I'm gonna debulk the sides with a 2 and we're gonna taper it up. Let's get it.
You'll be able to edit like the background noise and
shit? No, but with this mic, when I'm talking, it kind of cuts out all the extra noise. You hear it, but I don't get like flagged or nothing for it. Like it's still be able to get monetized.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Yeah.
Stop blocking department like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. You still? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, guys, so y'all saw your boy getting down with the Linework. Once again, don't know how to pronounce that, but y'all saw your boy getting down. So the question still remains: is it the clipper or the barber? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Y'all let me know what you think of me using these clippers. Let me know if y'all thought those haircuts came out good. Let me know if they suck. It's all good, man. Just let me know. But I do want to talk about these clippers a little bit before I end this video. So I bought these clippers for like $64.99, I believe, on Amazon. Currently, they're on sale for like 50 bucks. I will leave the link in my description. And they work pretty good, man. Like, honestly, let me pull them out the box for y'all. So check them out. So honestly, for like 50 bucks, $64.99, even 100 bucks for the clipper and trimmer combo, those are a really good deal. So once again, guys, if y'all are interested in purchasing these, the link will be in my description. You can cop these, and you know, they were fun to work with. As you can see, I like these because they have the little display right there. So I thought that was pretty dope. These don't have a display, but when they're about to die, this starts blinking red instead of blue, as y'all can see. But like I said, man, they work pretty good. I'm impressed with how they worked. I didn't expect them to work that good. But if you're in the Houston, Texas area and you want these, hit me up on Instagram. Like, I'm giving these away. I'm not gonna send them out and ship them out, but if you're in the Houston, Texas area and you want to come pick these up from your boy, shoot me a DM on Instagram and you can come and pick these up. But once again, guys, with that being said, I hope y'all like this style of content. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And once again, if you thought your boy got down with these clippers on these haircuts in this video, let me know down in the comments. If you think it was trash, let me know too. But that's basically it, man. So if y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.